Hello everyone, welcome back to Force Galaxy. Hope you guys have checked out the last video that is on the Salesforce object. If not, then do check out. The link is on above eyeball. So our today's topic is relationship in Salesforce. What different types of relationships we are having in our Salesforce to bind different objects with each other. So let's start. And yes, one more thing, I have also shared the blog for the same video, that is relationship in Salesforce. Do check out that, and the link is provided in the description section.
Now, before discussing the type of relationship, let's discuss why do we need relationship in our Salesforce and what is relationship. A relationship is a two-way association between two objects. Relationship associate object with other object, and we create relationship to link objects with each other so that when our user view record, they can also see the related data. Now let's discuss the different types of relationship we are having in our Salesforce.
Now, number 1, master detail relationship. As the name suggests, in this type of relationship, one object acts as a master object and the other acts as the detail object. This type of relationship is also known as parent and child relationship. We use this type of relationship when we want to bound our two objects tightly and closely dependent on each other. This relationship is used when we want to control the display of detail records, or can say child record, based on the value of the master record. Now let's see how we can create the master detail relationship. Let's move to our screen.
If you guys remember in our last video, that is Salesforce object, we have created object, custom object Force Galaxy. Now opening the same object, we're going to create new master detail relationship field. So opening its fields and relation, new. Here is a field type of with master detail relationship name, selecting its parent object, that is account. Next, and then save. So in this relationship, my parent object is account and its child is Force Galaxy. Now moving to detail page. Now let's create new record. Here is my parent object account, selecting account, save. Now as my in my master detail relationship, my objects are tightly coupled, which means if I delete its parent object, then all its related record, that is its child record, will get deleted. Now in this case, my account is having this Force Galaxy 04, its child. I have deleted the master record. Now let's see whether its child record is deleted or not. Yes, it is deleted.
I have used the word tightly and closely, which means on the deletion of master record, all its child record will get deleted. So in this master detail relationship, properties of child records are controlled by the master records. Now number 2, we have lookup relationship. Lookup is a type of Salesforce relationship that connects two objects without affecting security and deletion properties. In this lookup relationship, if one get deleted, then its related record, or can say child record, will not get deleted. In this type of relationship, both the objects are loosely coupled, which means if the one gets deleted, then its related record, or can say the child record, will not get deleted. Now let's see how we can create lookup relationship in our Salesforce.
Here again we are going to use the same object, that is Force Galaxy. Now choosing the field type lookup relationship, as we have to create lookup relationship now with contact. And next, save. Next and save. Now let's move to our tail page. Here create new record. Account is our master detail relationship. Select one account. As you can see, master detail relationship, master is always mandatory, and in lookup it is not mandatory. Now opening the lookup contact, Now let's delete this and check whether my related record will delete or not. I can refresh this, and as you can see, my related record, that is contact, is deleted, but my detailed record, that is Force Galaxy, is still there. So it is loosely coupled, but in my master detail relationship, both my parent and detail both gets deleted.
Now number third, we are having many to many relationship. In many to many relationship, records of particular object are linked with multiple records of a different object and vice versa. In Salesforce, we are not having any field with name of many to many relationship or to create direct many to many relationship. What we can do, taking a common object, can say creating a common custom object and creating two master detail relationship for different two object, we can create many to many relationship. This common object is also known as junction object.
So okay, in the picture, as you can see, I'm having the common object or junction object with name customer account, which is having master detail relationship with two other different object. One is with account, that is account ID, and the second with customer, that is customer ID. Now this this common object is having many related records of account and also having many related records of customer. So indirectly, taking medium as junction object, account and customer having many to many relationship.
Now let's see the example for this many to many relationship on our screen.
In our Salesforce, we are also having the standard junction object. One of them is opportunity product and its API name is opportunity line item. Now let's see in the fields and relationship. As you can see, this object is having two lookups, that is one with product and one with opportunity. Junction object does not mean it can only have the master detail relationship. Yes, it can also have the lookup. The difference is only that now it will not have the properties of master detail relationship. So this is our junction object, standard junction object, which connects two different object, that is one is opportunity and one is product.
Now on number 4, we are having self relationship. As the name suggests, self relationship means creating a relationship with itself. We can create this type of relationship by using a lookup on object by creating its relationship with itself. For example, on account, you must have seen a parent with a field with the name of parent account. This is what this self relationship in this account is having a lookup of account itself. Now on number 5, we are having external relationship. This is a field type which has been introduced with Salesforce Connect. We can this relationship is used to connect the external object with another external object, and this is of lookup type, and to connect them we can use this external relationship field. It supports standard lookup relationship which use 18 characters of Salesforce ID for the association.
So external lookup is also a field type, same as of lookup and master detail. As you can see, here is the option for external lookup relationship. After selecting this relation, next we have to select the external object. External objects are similar to the custom object. The difference is they map to data that is stored outside our Salesforce org.
Hope you guys have enjoyed the video and got an idea about the different relationship we are having in our Salesforce. And in our upcoming video, we'll cover up in more detail with go in more detail with lookup and master detail relationship. So those who didn't subscribe yet, do subscribe and stay tuned. Till then, take care. Goodbye.